Ethics is something that I've always vouched for. It's difficult to keep up pace with being very ethical and self-regulated in today's day and age. But I've tried my level best to at least be true to these two aspects, at least in my 35 years of work and 35 years of marriage at home. Yeah, so I personally think what really draws me to DMA is the fact that you guys have propagated the ethical conduct and self-regulation in our industry, where while people have been talking about self-regulation or talking about ethical conduct, I don't see too much of that getting reflected into action. But I think DMA, and I'm not talking about data insights, that to me is hygiene to DMA. But I think those two very important aspects, because they resonate very well with me. And that is something that really draws me to DMA. The other important aspect is I think you guys have done a tremendous job in terms of getting industry leaders together, because there is immense amount of collective experience and knowledge that the industry leaders have, and you using them as influencers, which will end up being advantageous to the industry at large. I think a single thought that I leave behind with so many years of experience is, I think ethics and self-regulation, which is true to your core, which is true to me, is something that I think people should try and follow to the best possible.